Alright, next topic is normal approximation to binomial. Okay, normal distribution is used as an approximation to the binomial distribution when n is large, where n is more than and equal to t, and n times p more than 5, or n times q more than 5. Alright, look at the definition. Given a random variable x having normal with n times p, n and p, if n more than or equal to t and n times p more than 5 or n times q more than 5, then we can use x having normal with np and npq. That means, okay, given a binomial distribution, given a question about binomial distribution, x having binomial with np, okay, but when n is more than and equal to t, and then n times p, we get more than 5. Okay, so we can use for normal distribution x having normal with n times p and n times p times q. Okay, let's see. Before this we have done study about binomial distribution. Okay, probability x, random variable x, it is equal ncx times p power x times q power n minus x. And then we need to find the probability x more than 1. Okay, if n more than 30, n ni apa? N ni adalah sample size dia. Okay, then we need to find the probability x more than 1. So we need to use this formula to find the probability. 30c1 times p times q plus, okay, p dengan q ni based on from question given. Okay, and then we need to find the 30c2 plus 30c3 plus and so on. Okay, because we need to find the probability x more than 1. So panjang jalan kerja dia, okay, for binomial distribution. Therefore, when we found the question about binomial distribution, and then n is more than 30, and then n times p more than 5, then we can use normal distribution for x having normal with np and pq. We know that x having normal, before this we use mu, okay, mean and variance. Okay, so for n times p is for mean, n times p times q is for variance. Okay, you faham na? But, okay, tengok kat bawah tu. Remember that to change from discrete distribution to continuous distribution, that means binomial is for discrete distribution. Normal is for continuous distribution. Okay, what is mean by discrete? Discrete ni a number that we can count. Okay, a number that we can count. Let's say how many number in your family. Okay, and then continuous ni the numbers that we cannot count. Okay, we cannot count. So from discrete, okay, to change from discrete to continuous, the continuity correction factor where plus minus 0.5 is needed. Okay, when you want to change from discrete distribution to the continuous distribution, plus minus 0.5 is needed. Plus minus 0.5, the name is continuity correction factor. Okay, continuity correction factor is needed. You have to plus minus 0.5. How? Okay, so look at A. Okay, look at A. So I'm gonna explain how to do a continuity correction factor. Okay, so for A, we need to find the probability when x is equal 4. Let's say this is question for binomial. Okay, we need to change from binomial to the normal. We need to do the continuity correction factor. So this is question from binomial, and then we need to do continuity correction factor to find the probability for normal. Okay, so when x equals to 4, draw the line. This is 4, this is 3, this is 5. And And then plus minus 0.5 ni kat mana? Okay, on the right side is plus 0.5, on the left side minus 0.5. Okay, and then when x equals to 4 betul-betul kat tengah ni. Okay, dia not more than, not less than. Okay, dia tak lebih, dia tak kurang. Dia betul-betul kat tengah ni, kena pada palang 4 ni. Therefore, from binomial to change to normal, you must 4 minus 0.5, then you will get 3.5. And then x is in between. And then, lepas dah minus, awak kena tambah 0.5, which is 4.5. This is from binomial. Okay, you have done to do a continuity correction factor. And then this is the new one, the probability that you need to find when x in between 3.5 and 4.5. This is for A. Okay. And then what about B? Okay, when we need to find the probability x less than 4. Okay, so draw the line. This is 4. Okay, and then from the right side is plus 0.5, the left side is minus 0.5. This is concept. Okay, mesti belah kanan plus 0.5, belah kiri minus 0.5. Okay, and then look at the sign. The sign is less than 4. Less than 4, that means kat sini. Okay, sebelum ni saya dah beritahu kan, for binomial, the equal sign is very important. The equal sign is very important. So, this is from question binomial. When x less than 4. 4 ni termasuk tak? Tak termasuk kan? Dia tadi equal kat bawah dia. Dia tak termasuk 4. That means dia kedudukan dia dekat sini. Dia less than. Tapi dia tak termasuk palang 4 ni. Tak kena pada palang 4 ni. That means the new one that you need to find the probability is 4 minus 0.5. Sebab kedudukan dia less than less than 4. Jadi kedudukan dia dekat negative 0.5. So 4 minus 0.5, you will get 3.5. This is probability that you need to find for normal distribution from binomial to normal. Okay, after you have done the continuity correction factor. Okay, nak lagi faham? Look at the next question. C. What about C? C, probability x less than and equal 4. Okay, less than and equal 4. So draw the line. This is 4. Okay. So this is plus 0.5. This is minus 0.5. Okay. So this is from question binomial. Okay, less than 4. Less than and equal 4. So the sign is very important. Okay, bila less than and equal 4, 4 ni termasuk tak? Include tak 4? Yes, dia termasuk, dia include. That means dia terkena pada palang ni. Dia terkena pada palang ni, that means dia less than and equal 4. Dia terkena pada palang 4 ni, dia termasuk 4 sekali. Therefore, kedudukan dia dekat mana kat sini? Plus 0.5. So the new one, you need to find the probability is x less than and equal 4.5. 4 plus 0.5. So this is the new one probability that you need to find. Okay. What about D? D is probability x more than 4. And then draw the line. Okay, so more than 4. 4 ni include tak? Dia tak termasuk sebab dia tadi equal kat bawah dia. Okay, dia tadi equal kat bawah dia. Okay, this one is plus 0.5, this one is minus 0.5. So bila dia more than, dia tak equal, 4 ni tak termasuk. Palang 4 ni tak termasuk. Maksudnya kedudukan dia dekat sini, dia more than more than 4. Okay, 4 ni tak termasuk. So that means kedudukan dia pada plus 0.5. So the new one probability that you need to find is probability x more than 4.5. 4 plus 0.5. Okay. So for normal, okay, from binomial to normal, kalau awak tengok sign dia, yang ni ada equal, ni tak ada equal. So bila awak dah tukar, okay, from binomial to normal, so the equal sign dia is not important untuk the new one probability. Okay, the equal sign dia tak penting untuk normal. Okay, for binomial, this one is very important, equal sign dia. Sebab tu, you need to do the continuity correction factor, plus minus 0.5. Okay, this is for D. How about E? So E is about probability X more than and equal 4. Okay, more than equal 4. Then draw the line. Okay, and then this one is plus 0.5, this one is minus 0.5. Okay, so when the sign is more than equal 4, okay, more than equal 4, that means 4 include. 4 include, dia terkena pada pala 4 ni, dia include pada 4, dia terkena, dia lebih, and dia terkena pada pala 4 ni. Okay, that means kedudukan dia pada negative minus 0.5. Okay, kedudukan dia pada minus 0.5. Then 4 minus 0.5 is X more than or equal 3.5. This one, the new one, okay, that you need to find the probability. Okay, this is for E. F, F is probability 7, okay, X in between 7 and 9. Then draw the line. Okay, 7 for 7 and for 9. And then this one is plus 0.5, this one minus 0.5. For 7, this one on the right side is plus 0.5, on the left side is minus 0.5. Okay, dia ada dua sebab dia in between. Okay, so look at one by one. One by one, that means look at the first one, X more than 7. Okay, kalau pala macam ni, X more than 7. Okay, so more than 7, more than equal 7. 7 ni termasuk tak? Include tak 7 ni? Yes, dia termasuk. Okay, that means dia terkena pada pala 7 ni. Dia more than yang ni. Okay, kalau saya tukar pada macam ni, sama saja. More than 7 sebenarnya. Okay, tengok dia terbuka. Okay, tengok bahagian dia terbuka. Okay, so more than 7, that means dia ke kanan. Okay, so and then 7 termasuk, dia more than. So that means dia kedudukan pada minus 0.5. Okay, so probability 7 minus 0.5 is 6.5. And then for second one is X less than 9. Okay, tengok dia punya ni tertutup kat bahagian sini. So X less than equal 9, macam ni. Okay, so 9 ni include tak? Yes, dia include. Dia less than and then dia include 9. Okay, maksudnya dia terkena pada palang 9 ni. Dia include. Okay, that means kedudukannya pada plus 0.5. So 9 plus 0.5 is 9.5. Okay, this is the new probability that you need to find. X in between 6.5 and 9.5. From binomial to normal. Okay, you found now? Okay, I have a question for you. Okay, try. Okay, after F, try do for G. G is, you need to find when the probability is X is in between 7 and 9. Okay, X more than and equal 7, X less than 9 for G. And then H is about probability X more than 7 and less than and equal 9. And then for I, probability X more than 7 and less than 9. Okay, try do by your own. Okay, try do by your own. Okay, this is for binomial equation. Okay, you need to do a continuity correction factor to find the new probability for normal distribution. Okay, later we will discuss. Okay, I will ask you what's the answer. Alright.